I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside, all the
Y'all all turned crooked. Let me turn it down. It is hot. Do you hear me? It's like scorching. Oh, girl, I thought that was a police. Scorching, and my dumb self being self-conscious about my arms all the freaking time. I done threw my jacket on. Y'all probably can't hear me now. Crap. Hold on. Let's see if we can switch this up. It's probably not better, but it's okay. I gotta go to the hair store because I just had like this idea. I was like, you know what? I don't know what to do to my hair, so we're gonna try the curly clip claw style, you know? Oh, should I'm gonna go straight. Oh, why did he sit on that? Anyway, I was like, let me just try this like cute little curly claw clip style. It's not trending no more, so you know, might as well try it. I'm that type of person. I'm like, after all the hype, then I'll try it, but we're gonna try this today. So we're on our way to the hair store. Gonna get it together because your girl kind of want to go somewhere tonight. I won't say somewhere crazy. I really kind of just want to go out and get drinks, and 9 times out of 10 I'm probably gonna be by myself. So I'm basically just gonna be exploring, or if anything I'm gonna be gone working because I've been having trouble with the labels, y'all. Like earlier in the video, y'all probably see me printing the labels and things like that, but I do not like them. Like the way, like the label paper that I used, I still said that wrong. The label paper that I used previously, it was perfect. Well, that paper's not available anymore when I'm ordering it from Amazon, which I'm very upset about. So these new papers, they're clear, they're cute or whatever, but the way they laying on my vessels, I don't like it. So now I'm trying to figure out exactly what design I need to do to make the labels, you know, to get them to my liking. And I'm kind of like at a stuck point, and I have more orders to get out, and I'm just like, I don't want to send my labels, I don't want to send my product out any type of way, you feel me? Because I'm making I'm creating some promo boxes for some, you know, influencers too, and they told me that I could send them to those. So that's another problem. Well, it's not a problem. That's not a problem at all. It's just, you know, I don't want to present my product any type of way. So that's kind of what I'm feeling with right now, which is really kind of annoying. But I'm thinking I'm probably going to end up having to do color, or I'm going to have to change the style of the labels completely to something else to make them more flattering within those on that sticker paper. But we'll see. You know, your girl, she'll figure it out. I know I still got about 35 orders that I have to get out because your girl tripped out with these labels, okay? I didn't realize my paper was gone until the last minute, so I had to order more paper, which it came in a day, but even still, now I'm just like, I don't want to send this out just any type of way because it's my product. So that's what I'm working with right now, and I'm upset. I won't say upset, I'm just kind of like thrown. So I'm having a block, which is retarded, but anyway, that's what we're working on this week. So that's what this video gonna be about. We're gonna figure out what these labels gonna be. We got Afterpay set up on the site, which I'm super excited about. I'm so happy about that because especially with wholesale, you know, I know it's hard for people to have that money like right up front sometimes, especially when you're investing in yourself. So like, you know, your girl be trying to give y'all the best options so we could just, you know, so we can all be up and running, because everybody can do their own money, have their own money, make their own money work for them. It's definitely not impossible, because I know I hate having to clock in front of the company every day. That's just not fun for me. I can't do it. I want to wake up on my own time. I want to move on my own time. I want to do whatever I want to do. I want to travel. That's what I want to do. You feel me? So working for myself is a must. It's a plus. But yeah, anyway, I am running to the hair store right now. Y'all, there was literally a tornado yesterday, like damn near on the other street of my house. And I'm like, what? We all in the closet like, why? I literally don't watch the weather, so I'm like, damn, well, let's just get in the closet. You know, you get those little weather alerts on your phone, and I'm like, oh. I guess I need to get in the closet. But yeah, y'all see my hair? A mess. It's looking crazy. Your girl had to throw the little hat on because she finna. Y'all know I don't walk around like this. I got to do something to his head. And y'all know I've been having like a hair crisis anyway. So your girl be tripped out. Anyway. But yes, we're on our way to the hairstyle. So I see I want to get in there. I'll probably put some clips in there. Probably not because people be looking at me crazy and I'm not used to holding this camera. I'm not used to having the camera on and people looking at me. Silly. I ain't giving out no money to no one. Alright, I'll see y'all later.
Niggas brown, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Insta.
Well, yeah, this is how the hair turned out. Cuticles.
How you gonna say no?
It's cute.
He said no and kept crying.
I'm sorry, it be getting stuck on my rings, but turned out cute. Only like $20. Cutest style ever. The claw clip has me in like a chokehold. Let me so y'all can see. See how the works look over here. Cuticles. Okay, Nene has these cute little. We got these things from. What's it called? Texas 8? Texas 7?
Yeah.
Texas 7. It's store in the mall. And they're like our zodiac signs, but they're like little necklaces. And you're supposed to break the clam. And then one of these that you get up here. I guess one of the pearls come out of the. We finna do it. Don't worry about it.
You could get your hair some.
Oh. It got my ear.
She got princess behavior because I just told her to get this hair.
Oh. Sorry. I had to go to the store.
Ooh,
You got my hair?
ooh.
What
My
you-
ring got stuck. Oh, it's still there.
Get it out.
Oh,
Get it out.
just like the movies.
And we got us a cute Taurus.
We're
The
gonna
little
go
boo.
ahead and throw-
Come on, I gotta go to Target.
Why Target?
Because we gotta get the poppies and, you know, the probiotic stuff that the girlies on TikTok be doing. You know, the girlies on TikTok. Get something random. Like what? Okay. Let's go to Target.
Oh, nobody's name.
It's all gloomy out here. Into Target we go.
What's the boy name that says go? Is that alright? Walk with it.
They're all bright. I didn't see this. I don't need a pink purse. $30. I think I need a pink purse. Peep ball the seamless. This is cute. You ain't been to Target for all this summer stuff? Get there. Run immediately, okay? Oh my god. This is the cutest. Okay, anyway. Sucky. Give me a second. Look at this. Look at this. It's cute,
Where
right?
the adult shoes at?
Adult shoes?
They doing buy one get 50% off slippers.
Shoes is right there, sir.
And the kid shoes.
Oh, I don't know, girl. We might have to find it. Anyway, this is cute, right?
I said yes.
This is the cutest time. The problem is, like, I can't do denim on denim. Like, I have the cute black dress. Black skirt for this. But I won't wear it. Let's go. Because you girl gotta grab. I actually gotta grab food. So we can. I'm sorry about the angle, y'all. This is as best as I'm gonna get. Because I don't have the tripod to freaking hold y'all up. I always get the Bertelli. I love Bertelli. I already got 2 of them in the cart though, so that's a good one. Let's see. People looking at me crazy as I'm talking to the camera. Oh, I'm not used to this, like at all. Not used to it. I think there's some pasta noodles. I passed right by pasta noodles, y'all. Why y'all didn't say that? Y'all, they don't sell Olipop in the pack, so they just sell it individually. And I'm kind of upset about this. But let's go, because we ain't doing nothing but making store, and it's raining. Storming.
Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. DT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living up in Van.
These are for sprays. I'm sorry, y'all. We finally got everything together. I can't show you. I'm gonna have to put like the new labels for. Yes, please don't hold things like that. No, you put them down. Understand? Put that for me.
Just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living up in Van, you know. I'm just trying.
Here we are, a couple of weeks from my birthday, and I broke my freaking nail. Y'all, it's like, it's not to the point where it's broken. Don't get me wrong. It's like cracked on the nail bed, but the nail is still attached to my fingernail, so I have to find a way to pull it off. It hurts. Like, when I bump it, hit it, the kids grab it, anything. It hurts so freaking bad. Y'all, have y'all tried these? These are the probiotic drinks for the girlies. The girlies been popping on TikTok. Anyway, that was not the point of this. I had to go get our little room mist pamphlets from, I just printed them off at Walmart. But as far as that, everything else is done. We gotta get these orders done for the product packages for the influencers. So that's pretty much what we're doing right now. The girl has to get that done. So 9 to 10, and that's what the remainder of this video is going to be. It was just a work vlog, so let's get her done. Get her done. I'm gonna fold it like right here. So I want it to be like a little pamphlet type of thing. Like this. And open it up. Show your room is. So we'll do it like that. I just made some thank you cards and I've lost them. Or did I lose them? Here they go. Found them. Oh, these are old ones. These are old ones. These are old ones.
Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one I'm really, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting closer. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride or die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside.